Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about the benefits of jumping rope. So before we get into the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Improves heart rate. Jumping rope is an excellent cardiovascular training. Your cardiovascular framework includes your heart along with arteries and veins that help circulate blood and oxygen between the heart and other organs of the body. You will find yourself suffering less from shortness of breath as it will help you build your stamina. Number 2. Amazing for weight loss. The medical literature agrees that the first rule of weight loss is to create a calorie deficit. If you burn more calories than you consume, you are going to lose weight. If you don't intentionally move your body, your metabolism slows down and you burn less calories, which means it's even harder to get lean. Jump rope is simply amazing for weight loss. In fact, you can burn up to 500 calories in just 15 minutes. HIIT exercise like jump rope is effective in losing belly fat without dieting. Number 3. Decreases foot and ankle injuries. Many athletes in basketball, tennis, football, and other sports often suffer foot and ankle injuries from running and then stopping quick and turning. Jumping rope increases your strength in the muscles surrounding your ankle joint and in your foot. Decreases the chance of injury to those areas. Number 4. Improves bone density. For those concerned about bone density, jumping rope may be one of the most productive activities. Jumping rope can make your bones stronger. Bones density measures the strength of your bones. If you have more minerals like calcium in your bones, they are less fragile and less likely to break. Number 5. Improves coordination. Jumping rope actually improves your coordination by making you focus on your feet. Whether or not you are paying attention, your brain is aware of what your feet are doing. This practice over and over again makes you lighter on your feet. Number 6. Improves your posture. When mentioning the benefits, another benefit of this particular activity is the fact that it helps to improve your posture. Poor posture can lead to all manners of health issues and physical ailments. To begin with, poor posture can make your back more susceptible to injury. Over time, poor posture can even result in physical disfigurements such as hunchback. Jumping rope, though, is a fantastic form of exercise for anybody looking to improve their posture. When you perform each repetition, you are pulling the shoulder blades back and aligning your spine. This improvement in posture will not only help you to experience less pain, but it will also help you to stand up straighter. Number 7. It's fun. The fun factor is crucial when it comes to finding a sustainable workout routine. We all know that consistency is the king. You need to be able to stick with your routine over the long haul if you want to see lasting results. It gives you ability to learn new skills. Unlike running, jumping rope allows you to learn and progress with new skills like crosses and double unders. How much should I jump rope a day? If you are not trained in rope skipping, start from 3 minutes a day and gradually increase by 1 minute every week until you get 10 comfortably with good rhythm and technique. From 10 on, everything is good. Grab a jump rope, get hopping, and be amazed by different ways your body and mind will benefit.